Have you wondered what this man is doing with dead rabbit in the market? Well, this is not a dead animal.
This is food, isn't it?
It is a special game for a special delicacy from the Nkono shop at Bolton Market, Greater Manchester, in the northwest of the United Kingdom. Alan Job, a 52-year-old Cameroonian, has been running his shop in the market for over 8 years, serving customers and visitors coming to the market with African delicacies to keep the African culture standing even in a foreign land. But today, he's preparing a special mouth-watering delicacy, venison, for his clients. He was proud to display the special cuisine to his customers.
Basically, every day, we try to make sure that we have something special for our visitors. This is the venison, it's boneless. Generally, it's the special of the day, so people can enjoy something different from the beef.
In the morning, Alan gets his ingredients from the market. Returning from the market, Alan gets down to work in his kitchen to prepare the special delicacy of venison with African bushmeat, but with a touch of modernism to serve the multicultural status of his customers. To cook, Alan needs to be at home with his African music, connecting a small speaker with his phone to create a warm ambience. He was happy to relate with his clients from different parts of the world. He speaks on the special meal for the day, and this was confirmed.
Yeah, it's venison. This one is boneless. Anyway, and it's from the local market, and it is the special of the day. So we took it from the butchers.
Is that it? Would you like me to? Yeah, what have you got there, Alan? Some nice...
Alan putting the ingredients after the order speaks about the benefit of the shop catering for Africans to the students at the University of
It's
Bolton.
organic, very, very nice as well.
He reveals more of the secret of what makes his meal special, as more ingredients like dry thyme, salt, and curry were added.
We cut them really, really big. I'm going to tell you why we cut them big. Because we believe that
As Alan adds potatoes and carrots to the venison, he explains more about the special.
20-25 minutes. If I want to stir it a little bit for you to have an idea, this is what it's looking like. Really specialists who can carry the pan hot like this.
Carrying the pot on from the fire with a bare hand to shake the venison together, he has advice for people at home. Now, time to add the mushroom and the grinded vegetable.
Asian people who can roast meat.
Alan explains the heating process as he scoops a spoon to show the final product. At the end of the cooking, the Nkono chef was excited to show off his cooking.
This is how
It is now time for customers calling as Nkono displays the food for the day. Tourists also came for the bites and nods to the taste of goodness provided. Relaxing after the day's cooking with friends to relish part of his cooking, Alan speaks about the venison he has prepared, the Chef Day special. Alan customers cut across, but more of locals and tourists than even the blacks. Alan is proud of keeping his customers happy and keeping African culture still standing as he chats with tourists from Hong Kong.